Hey everyone, this video is about creating a customizable LED blinking sequence. Level of difficulty is 3 out of 5. The required components to make this circuit, we need a Arduino. You can use Arduino Mega or Arduino Uno. I use Arduino Mega. You need a breadboard. You need wires. You need 3 resistors because we are going to use 3 LEDs, so we also need 3 LEDs. To make this circuit, you can go and watch our previous video, because in this video we are going just to focus on the Arduino programming and we will use the previous circuit. I will put the previous circuit video in this video's description. Okay, let's go and start the Arduino programming. Okay, to start the Arduino programming, first, as I mentioned in the previous videos, we'll check that our Arduino is connected, and you can check it from here or tools and port. Yes, my Arduino is connected. Then the first step is to define our variables. Okay, my first variable, as you know, it was the red LED, which was connected to pin 11. Yes, and do not forget about the commenting your code, defining variables. The next integer will be green LED, which is connected to pin 12. Next integer is blue LED, which is connected to pin 13. And the fourth one is DT, delay time. We'll use 500 milliseconds or half a second. Now we are going to define some new variables, which is integer R because of the red LED, or capital R blinking, number of blinking for the red LED, integer G blinking for green one, and the blue B blinking for the blue LED. And we'll use an integer I as a counter for our code. As I mentioned, in the void setup, we will define our pin modes. Pin mode, we have red LED, which will be our output, so output, and define pin modes. Okay, the next one will be green LED, and do not forget the semicolon in your code. LED, green LED, green LED, blue LED, blue LED. Okay, since we are going to talk with our Arduino, another command will be added in this code, serial.begin. With this command, we will use 9600. With this code, you can read from Arduino. You can get information from Arduino whenever you want an information, a data, anything will. If you want to Arduino talk to your computer, you will need this line. It will help us to get information and data from Arduino, and it will be showed in our serial monitor window. And please make sure that your serial monitor window has the same number, which is 9600. Okay, for this section of the code, as I mentioned before, the void loop will be your main part of your code. Okay, for here, first I will use serial dot print ln. I want to print just some dots, some dash, to separate this part of the code from this because as I mentioned before, this void loop will repeat unlimitedly. Okay, so whenever it went to the next level, next part, next loop, I want to know that where am I, and make it a little bit tidy and clean. Okay, now we are going to ask the user how many blinks does he or she wants. Serial print. I will copy the programs to save 2 lines to save some time. How many times should the red LED blink? Okay, it will ask the user, but we have to wait for the user answer. The command for this part is while, and you will need a curly brackets here. The command is serial dot available equal to 0. So now we asked the user how many blinks does he or she wants, and we waited and we got the answer. Oh, and do not forget to commenting. The comment is ask user, wait for user answer, wait for the user answer here. Next part, now we are going to read that answer. Okay, we defined our blinking here as our variable. Our blinking is the number of blinking for the red LED. Our blinking is equal to the code for here is serial dot parse int. Then it will read from the serial monitor. Read from the serial monitor. Then we are going to have a for loop to have that times of blinking that we want. For has a parenthesis here and a curly brackets here. Then we'll use I is equal to 0, then semicolon, then while I is less than R blinking, and I is plus plus. It means that I will and the code will add a number, number 1 to the I for each loop. And for here we have digital right is equal digital right, sorry, red LED high delay for DT, and again the same code for here, low time number of linking red LED linking. Okay, we have our code for the red LED, and then we are going to ask the user, what about the green LED? How many times should the green LED blink? Ask the user. Wait for the user answer. R blinking will be G blinking, and G blinking will go here and read the serial monitor. R will be green, and green LED will turn the green LED on, and again for the blue blinking, sorry, I'm going to use the blue LED here, blue LED turn off, blue LED turn on, blue LED blinking, read from the serial number here, and here should be blue. Okay, the green LED blinks. Okay, let's go and check our code. It seems that it's working. Let's run it here Okay, let me open the serial monitor here. You can open the serial monitor from here, guys. After you push this button, it will print it. Okay, how many times should the red LED blink? Let's go and run our code. Okay, how many times should the red LED blink? I'll use number 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stopped. 4 for a green LED. 2, 3, 4. And 1 or 5 for blue LED. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go and change the delay time here, or you can go and change the number of blinking here. You can change the sequences. You can have more LEDs connected. You just need to copy this part of the code more and more. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.